Hi to all of you. Today I am going to discuss very interesting question. So many times, especially during sunset, you must have observed birds are sitting on the high tension wires. But in same case, if humans hold these high voltage lines, within no time they will be electrocuted. Then how birds save themselves? Are these birds bad conductor of electricity? Answer of this question is yes. But similarly, humans are also made up of cells and tissue, which do not provide electricity a easier path to travel. This brings back the question again, why human gets electrocuted but not birds? Let us first understand what causes electric shock. Electric shock happens when electricity gets away to the ground. When any human touches high-rise electricity wire, it hangs on both the wires simultaneously, which provide electricity a path to pass through their body in order to reach the ground. Whereas in case of bird, they do not keep their feet on both the wires. Most of the birds keep their feet on the same wire. But this must not be true in case of large birds. If their wings will touch the wire or any other part of their body will touch the another wire, they will also get electrocuted. Now the questions which usually arise are why we need ground at all in circuit. Wouldn't groundless circuit will be safer? And what if a person is wearing a rubber shoe and touching the wire, is it safer? Coming to the first question, grounding is provided intentionally to the circuit so that at least one side of the circuit is safer to touch. As shown in the image, if a victim will touch the bottom side of the resistor, he will not get any shock. This is due to the lower left corner of the electrical circuit. Electricity has a property that there will be no current flow between electrically common points, and this lower left corner of the circuit will made electrically common point. In answer to the second question, rubber-soled shoe do provide some electrical insulation, but moisture, dirt and conductive salt which accumulated on our slippers or shoe from our body reduce electrical resistance of these soles. So there are shoes which are specially made for these electrical works. Numerous research were conducted to find the thickness of soles to create sufficient contact resistance between human body and electricity. I hope you have enjoyed my video and you will try to observe science more and more in your daily life. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe if you like my content.